Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I have a Joggles order. Looks like my box is a bit beat up, I tell you though. Let's see. Break it down right away. How are you all today? Hope you're good. Hope you're good. So this is my number 2 order from Joggles. I've ordered them at the same time, but they came in 2 different days. And I do have an order from Ranger, which is delayed. Hell, I always save their tissue paper because I think it's always so pretty. Alrighty. So, isn't that pretty? Good collage to use. Very pretty. Very pretty, pretty. Okay. So, with the order of $40 or more, you get a free little journal, which I showed the other day, so I got 2 of them to work with. I got the Christmas Noel images, so we're going to look at them. And we got the sticker book by Tim Holtz. And about another Delusion stamp. Then I got the whole collection that came out. And I got the Delusion Christmas little sayings. And I needed $1 and something to bring my order up. So I just grabbed these Christmas stickers. And I got this stencil, which I realized I bought a duplicate, so I'm gifting this. And I bought the collage sheet again. So let's check out the stickers by Tim Holtz. So you get some sayings. That's cool. I didn't realize that. Oh, I was like, are they all sayings? I got some like that. And that. Oh, see, I expected more stickers than sayings, actually. But, oh well, I'll use them. Dear Santa. I thought there would be more like this. But, oh well, that's okay. That's alright. I like how I can use this is a little birdie, or little birdie. I could use them. I like the little vintage Santa look, so that's why I bought them. So, that is that. So, let's check out the people. I'm always leery on buying his people. I haven't bought them in a long time. Usually I find them in a D-stash. This is Christmas, it says. So, let's see what the Christmas brings. So, we have this gal. Oh, we got a little sleigh whale guy. We got that gal. Got a big, like, postcard size photo. Got this one. Where are these Christmas? They don't. Okay, I don't get the Christmas out of it. They don't look Christmas to me. He's got rollers or ice skates in his hand. And a little winter. Little crown girls. This one's got a little muff. I guess because they're all winter, like dressed up, wearing clothing or winter coats. They're on a sled. Skiers. Family dressed up. They look dark this time around, like really dark. Not as vintagey. You know what I mean? They look dark to me. Little dog, gal with her dog. Dressed up in a little nightgown, got a sled. Yep. Sitting gal. Fur coat gal. Another coat gal. Little sitting girl. Two little boy. Almost, I have to see something. If it's me, I know. It's my eyes playing a trick on me. Or is it legit? Let's see. Do. They do look dark. They're all dark. Look at how dark they look compared to usual. Look at the difference. See, I didn't think. I thought they looked darker. Way dark. Look at that. Like I said, this is just regular everyday of his. And then this bunch look way dark. Alright, I guess that's the difference. I usually don't buy them, but they were on sale at Joggles, and I went, what the hell. And, no, I will be honest, I'm not impressed, because I don't see where it's Christmas. They just, I mean, it says here, Christmas Noel. I don't, paper dolls, I don't see where they're a couple people with sleds. I don't see where they're really Christmas related. I'm a little disappointed in that. You know what I mean? Especially like people sitting around a Christmas tree or something. I guess that's and you only get one of these. I mean, what's this got to do with Christmas? I don't know. But that is my Joggles haul. And I am. Sticker book. See, you look at the cover. There's 314 stickers. Of course, I should have looked at the back. Oh well. But let's see Delusions. Stickers. I get it open. You get the black. And then you get white. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 black. And there's the same sayings. Go jingle your own bloomin' bells. You know, so that's cool. Plenty of Christmas sayings, which I wanted. Okay. I'm happy with that. Okay. I love them. Aren't they cool? Alright. Let's look at Classic. Okay. This is last year. She's got another set coming, which was out on Joggles, but I found it on Ranger. And that one got delayed in transit. So you get 2 sizes, okay? And I'll show you real quick if I come across one. So this is the bigger one. I already got these cut out. I told Teresa the other day, I don't know why I bought 2 sets of these, but I did. So I got 2 of these. But here you go. I'll show you how you get 2 sizes. See? Okay. Fall. Okay. And Christmas. I think because I like this. That's probably why I bought another one. I don't remember. It's what you call late night shopping. See? Here. Big. And small. Alright. That is my Joggles order, guys. So, thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.